Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, welcome. My name is Destiny and I do all kinds of videos here on my channel. As of lately, I've been doing a lot of nail tutorials, which I've been really getting a kick out of and you guys seem to love. Today I'm going to show you how I remove my Gel X dupe nail set. I was getting a lot of comments on how do I remove my gel press-ons, but also this is the same way I'd remove acrylic or any other nail extension that I do have on. So yeah, I'm also going to be using these soak-off poles that I did get from Shein.com. I will have these linked down below if you are interested in them. And no, I don't make any money off of them. I did purchase them with my own money. But hey, Shein, if you see this and you want to sponsor your girl, no pressure, okay? Let's keep on moving. What I do like about these soak-off bowls is that you can add warm water or hot water to the bottom, and then you could put the acetone in the top holes for the fingertips, which is really nice. It makes it go a lot faster. You're also going to need some acetone, some nail cutters. You could use these or like your normal nail clipper, whatever you have on hand, because we are going to be cutting these down as low as possible. Again, it'll save us time and the whole nail will be able to fit in the bowl. You're also going to need a cuticle pusher or like a gel polish scraper remover type of product so that we can gently buff off the gel tips. And then you are going to need some cuticle oils. I'll be using the Youngnails and the St. Jane Beauty oil. It's technically not a cuticle oil, but I use it as one. And there are two ways that you can do this method. You can also use either a cotton round or these lint-free wipes soaked in acetone, then wrap it around with some aluminum foil, and then you can use these pink clips to kind of keep it in place and to make sure it doesn't fall off. But also, if you have clients that's always on their phone, it'll keep them still because they can't touch anything. So yeah, we're going to go ahead and get started. Again, I'm going to get started by cutting down the tip as low as possible without cracking my nail or damaging my nail. I'm just going to cut it as low where it feels the most comfortable. However, if you are interested on how I got this set or how I encapsulated the butterflies, I will have the video linked down below for you. I did do a dedicated video on how I encapsulate using gel press-ons. So here the nails are all cut down and you will see me adding my warm water. My water was a little hot, so I did put it in a little bit early just so that way it could cool down by the time I'm ready to dip my nails in. And you will see that I didn't know how much to put in. I didn't see like a line for where I need to stop filling the water. So I was just trying to see like at what level did the heat and steam really hit the other bowl, I guess, just so that way it's actually warming up the acetone. And you do want to make sure that you are using 100% acetone. If you are using nail polish remover, strawberry nail polish, whatever the case is, if it does not say 100% acetone, this is not going to work at all. You need it to be 100% acetone to really melt down and soak off the gel products that we did use. And also to help us with this process, I am going to take my nail drill and I am going to file down as much as possible to the gel press-on, or even if I could get to the builder gel that's underneath, that's a-okay with me. Again, it saves us time and we don't have to keep our hands in the acetone, which is going to dry out our fingers and blah blah blah. So yeah, I'm just going to file off as much as I can, getting the nail real thin. And like I said prior, if you are going to use this with acrylic, you're going to do the same thing. Cut the tip down, file down as much as possible until you could get down to at least the tip of the original tip from your set, and then go ahead and soak it off. So here the nails are all filed down nice and thin as much as possible. My acetone is already in the bowl, so it's nice and warm and ready to go. And then I am just going to put some Youngnails Rose Cuticle Oil on my fingertips. This is just going to help so my fingers doesn't get extra dry, and my hands are already super dry right now since I'm always using hand sanitizer, disinfectants. So my hands are really dry, so I just wanted to use just a little bit of cuticle oil. You don't have to do the step. It's not going to affect the process in any way, especially since I didn't use too much. And you can see how much, you know, the acetone didn't dry out my skin. And then I am going to take my cuticle pusher and gently push the gel products off of my nail bed. And it might look a little harsh, but that's because this is a sped up clip, but I'm barely putting any pressure. You want to be as gentle as possible because you don't want the risk of actually pulling the product off and now you're ripping layers of your actual nail. So you want to be really careful and gentle. Again, I am being gentle. It's just some of these clips are sped up. And I did soak my hands for about 10 minutes. And then if 10 minutes isn't enough for you, you can go ahead and soak for an additional 5 to 10 minutes, whatever you feel is needed to get the rest of your nails off. But I didn't have to do that for most fingers, but I did just to ensure that everything came off. And now this is what we are left with. I am going to go in with my BT Art Box Pro nail drill. My boyfriend did buy this for me. Thank you, baby. He bought it off of Amazon, and again, I will have it linked down below. I've been trying to show you guys more of the things that I'm using and leaving them linked down below because I do get a lot of questions. And I am going to put this on about 4,000 RPMs. To me, that's really one of the levels I like to go when I'm working on the natural nails. Sometimes I even go as low as 3 and under. But because we just took up the extension, I don't want to do anything too rough to our natural nail. So I'm just going to use this really low and gentle just to go ahead and clean up any gel that may be left behind. And also it'll help to get rid of any dead skin around the cuticle as well. And please keep in mind that I didn't have to do too much cleanup around my cuticle areas because I did prep my nails prior when I did the set. So I didn't have too much going on, but keep in mind if you feel like you need to file and shape your nail and file it down a little bit, please go ahead and do so. You want to do that all pretty much around this part. Like before you buff the nail, you might want to go ahead and file and shape it to what you like when it comes to your natural fingers. Your natural nail shape, I guess. So then I went around with the cuticle nail bit because I don't really like to use the cuticle cutter, as you can see in the back, but I did use it on some parts where I feel like it was necessary. So I did cut the cuticle as well, just the dead skin, you guys, just the dead skin. So after I dust off my nails, I am going to take some alcohol on my little cleaning dust brush. I don't know why I put the alcohol that way. I literally could have just sprayed it on my nails with my spray bottle, but I used that one. I don't know. But yeah, I'm just going to really go ahead and dust off and clean off my nails, get them nice and clean and dust free. And boom, that's what we're looking like, you guys. There's no damage, no nothing. My nails don't hurt or feel brittle. So now I'm gonna go in with the St. Jane Beauty Serum. It is a CBD beauty serum. It's supposed to hydrate, strengthen the skin, and, you know, do magical things. And I don't really like to use this on my face because it's a little heavy for my personal use. So I said, why not use it for my cuticles? And I freaking love it, you guys. I know it's not like promoted to be for nails, but it's a beauty oil, so why the hell not? It works. It keeps my hands nice and hydrated, and I feel like it kind of promotes my nail growth. Like, my nails grow really slow, and when I use this, it's amazing. So if you haven't tried this, definitely give it a try. You can find it at Sephora, that's where I got mine. So that's pretty much it, you guys. I just rubbed the cuticle oil all into my nails to rehydrate them and get them back in tip-top shape. And that's pretty much it. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe down below, and I'll see you in my next video.